Thumbnails are one of the single most important things that decide whether your video gets clicked or ignored in a crowded feed. So today, I want to walk you through a super simple, fast, and totally free way to make thumbnails that actually work for your content. Plus, I'll share a few pro tips to make those designs pop, especially on mobile screens, and how to streamline the entire process. Hey, I'm Alex, and I help creators and small teams get more eyes on their videos without spending all day buried in design apps. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe right now, and everything I mentioned today will be conveniently linked in the description below. First up, we need to talk about why thumbnails matter so much. They are not just a decorative afterthought for your video. A strong thumbnail has one job. It clearly tells the viewer what the video is about, creates an emotional hook, and earns you that crucial click. If your thumbnail is weak or confusing, no amount of fancy title work or clever SEO optimization will ever save your video's performance. The great news is that you do not need expensive software like Photoshop or a degree in graphic design to make professional-looking thumbnails. You can achieve fantastic results using free tools like Canva or even presentation software if that is what you already have installed. I will demo Canva because it is cross-platform, incredibly quick, and gives you professional-grade output without a steep learning curve to master. But I'll also show you how automation can massively speed up the entire workflow if you are producing numerous clips every single week. Step 1 is all about capturing a genuinely good freeze frame to use as the foundation for your new design. If your thumbnail features your face, which is highly recommended, do not just grab a random, awkward frame from the middle of your clip. Instead, at the very end of your recording, take a few deliberate seconds to pose with a big smile or a strong expression for options. When you export or play back the file, use the built-in snapshot feature or take a quick screen capture to save that perfect image to your desktop. Step 2 is opening your editor and setting the exact dimensions needed for the platform, which is the classic 1920 by 1080 pixels for YouTube. Upload your captured frame and drag it onto the canvas, making sure to scale that image just slightly larger than the container itself. Step 3 involves adding high contrast, easy to read text that is immediately backed up by a solid, simple shape for visibility. Your text must be readable even when it is displayed at the tiniest size because most of your audience will be viewing it on a phone. The secret sauce here is placing a brightly colored shape right behind the text so your message pops regardless of what is happening in the background photo. I recommend using bold, blocky, all caps fonts and then grouping the text and its backing shape so they move as one cohesive unit. Step 4 is an essential editing pass where you slightly boost the saturation and sharpness to make details crisp and colors vibrant. You must be extremely mindful of where YouTube automatically places its own video overlays, avoiding those busy corners at all costs. Keep your keywords clear, centered, and safely away from the edges, and add a simple graphic flourish or two for that final layer of polish. If you are scaling your content, automation tools become invaluable because they find the most engaging moments and batch produce ready-to-post clips instantly. This instantly skips the tedious work of picking clips, capturing frames, and manually designing every single thumbnail one by one. To recap the core workflow, capture a good frame, add a contrasting text bar, use minor image enhancements, and leverage automation for scale. If you are curious about seeing a full streamlined process from auto editing all the way to scheduling, check out the tool link below. Drop a link to one of your videos in the comments if you want a quick critique, and I'll see you in the next video.